Hey guys, welcome to Joyoshare iOS channel. Today, we'll teach you how to fix iPhone stuck on hello screen. Fix 1. Wait until the battery runs out and charge iPhone. While the iPhone is stuck on hello screen, you need to make sure of when the battery dies completely. Hang on until you find battery running out properly. And charge iPhone when you notice that your device has been turned off. Fix 2. Remove SIM card and reinsert. Simply remove any SIM card and turn off your Wi-Fi network and reboot your device. For many users, this method works great. Fix 3. Force restart iPhone. When your iPhone is stuck on hello screen, you can simply force restart your device and give a new start to it. This will most probably resolve your issue. Fix 4. 100% useful method. If you always face various issues on your iPhone, it's time to get an advanced iOS system recovery tool to help you. Download and install it in advance. Then activate this program. In the pop-up window, you will find this tool can fix 150+ issues on your iPhone, including stucking on the black screen, recovery mode, boot loop and more. Note that you should connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Okay, now, you can click the start option. Choose the standard mode to fix your iPhone stuck on hello screen issue without data loss and press the next button. To help you enter DFU mode easily, it provides detailed instructions on the screen of your computer. Once you have put your device into DFU mode, the information of iPhone will appear on your screen. You should check if the information is valid and correct. Download and select the right firm package. After having the appropriate firmware package downloaded, you need to hit the repair option. When your iPhone turns on again, you need to see whether it fixed your problem. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and smash that like button. I'll see you next time.